In Zhejiang province in eastern China, there is a city known as the capital of small commodities, Yiwu. Here is not only the center of commercial trade, but also a bridge of cultural exchange. Today, let's explore the charm of Yiwu together. Yiwu is famous for its huge international trade market, which attracts buyers and merchants from all over the world. The market here has tens of thousands of small commodities, ranging from toys, accessories to household items. Whether you are looking for unique handicrafts or the latest fashion trends, Yiwu's market can meet your needs. The goods here are affordable and of high quality, making it a paradise for shopping lovers. Yiwu is not only the trade center of China, but also the meeting place of global business. Every year, tens of thousands of international business people come here to discuss cooperation, which promotes cultural and economic exchanges between countries. In Yiwu, you can also taste a variety of delicious regional snacks. From traditional Zhejiang dishes to national flavors, Yiwu's food culture is equally rich and colorful. In this video, we will take you deep into Yiwu's market and experience the local life and culture. Whether it is shopping, tasting delicious food, or learning about Yiwu's history and development, there are amazing discoveries here. If you like our content, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Let's explore more of China's beautiful cities and cultures together. Thank you for watching and look forward to meeting you on your beautiful journey in Yiwu.
等待美国政策的转向。
One day or another, they have to remove the tariff. I think soon it's going to be removed. With 145% tariff, it's impossible. And we need the products that China make.
定制的吗？
哦，义乌商人正在通过 AI 技术为全球定制产品。
12345，12345，就相当于我拍一个15秒短视频，我可以得到36国语言。
如果是没有 AI 一个设计师全天的时间来画1到2张，现在就1个小时的时间可以出大概20-30张。
豪阳团队今日份惊喜来自美国客户的订单。
就在刚刚，我收到了来自美国客户的这个订单，就是要等到关税调整之后我们再出货。
关税战之下，义乌商城依然保持繁荣。
白天的时候没有空过这个停车场，我其实挺喜欢这句话的。这句话我每天看，每天看。义乌是一个世界的超市。
晚上出来吃饭。 街边全是外国人，这个时候就能感受到，义乌真的是买全球卖全球啊！